If you're experiencing the FIFA 24 Cloud Save Error 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing your game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA Sports website or their social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error may be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your gaming console or PC completely and then turn it back on. This can help refresh the system and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your console game library or through the game launcher on your PC. Installing updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by holding down the power button until the system shuts down completely, then unplug it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game settings and selecting the option to clear local saves or cache. Step 5. Contact EA support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to EA support for further assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting sets or inform you of any known issues related to the error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying FIFA 24. If the problem continues, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or EA support.